in a move to further separate Indonesian military needs with purchasing foreign-born solutions. Indonesian Aerospace in December of 2019 unveiled a full-sized example of its new unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, the Elang Hitam, or Black Eagle. The UAV is designed for the all-important intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, ISR, role as well as general ground attack, borrowing much of its design form from the proven General Atomics Predator UAV line of American origin. Design-wise, the aircraft mimics the Predator family quite closely by way of a bulbous nose section, slim fuselage, low-mounted, straight, wing main planes, and a V-style tailplane arrangement. The rear-mounted engine is also a Predator staple, power bring from a single conventional Rotax-branded, Austrian, engine buried in the aft section of the fuselage driving a two-bladed propeller unit in pusher fashion. This leaves the forward section of the fuselage clear to house avionics, fuel stores, and mission equipment. Ground running is made possible by a fixed-wheel tricycle undercarriage, though the aircraft is restricted to prepared airstrips and not unprepared fields. Dimensions of the vehicle include a wingspan of 16 meters. Indonesian Aerospace promotes the UAV as having a mission endurance window of around 30 hours, and its payload capacity, made up of synthetic aperture radar sensors and appropriate ISR-minded systems, is rated for up to 30 kilograms. Cruising speeds are in the 145 miles per hour range, giving the platform good performance for a vehicle of this class. Controlling will be via ground-based operator as well as satellite communications. Of note is the presented model of December 2019 lacked any sort of chin or fuselage blister to carry the typical electro-optical, EO, infrared, IR, system seen in most drones today. For the armament requirement, it is assumed that the Elang Hitam will be cleared to carry anti-tank guided missiles, ATGMs, and precision-guided drop bombs under wing to satisfy the Indonesian military's need for an attack-minded UAV. The weapons will most likely be carried under wing as in the Predator. The company is slated to construct and fly 2 prototypes for the development phase, of which the first flight is tentatively scheduled for sometime in 2020. Certification is planned for 2021 to 2023, ultimately providing Indonesian armed forces with a homegrown solution it desperately needs. The company already has experience locally producing, under license, the Spanish CN-235 CN-295 tactical transports among other turboprop-driven products. It also builds French helicopters such as the Puma line.